This Django course is packed with content, and therefore I actually have two options, two paths for you, which you can follow when going through that course. The first option, the first path you can take is the standard approach, as I like to call it. And this approach is my clear recommendation. This is how I recommend that you take this course. With this approach, you simply take the course step by step, starting in lecture 1 in section 1, which you already viewed by now, I guess, and then you simply move through that course lecture after lecture, section after section. All these sections and concepts build up on each other, and therefore if you go through the course like this, then you will get the most out of it and you will learn about all those key Django features step by step in depth. Now, at the end of this course, you will find a Django summary course section, and this section then is optional for you. It sums up all the core Django features, of course not as in depth as the rest of this course. There is a reason why the summary section only has a few hours, whereas the overall course has more than 20 hours. But this section is great as a summary module after you took the course, to quickly recap all the key concepts again, or to come back to if you took a pause from Django for a couple of months and you quickly want to dive back into all those key concepts again. This summary section at the end of the course can help you in that case. Now, the alternative approach of taking this course is that you skip the main course and you jump right away into that summary module. I call this approach the summary approach because it is meant for people who are in a hurry. If you got limited time, if you don't want or you can't take the entire course step by step at this point of time, then you can jump ahead to that summary module, skip the rest of the course for now, and learn about the essence of Django and get a good overview of Django with that summary module. And you can then always come back to the main course and go through the entire course step by step in the future once you have more time at your disposal. These are the two main ways of taking this course. Simply choose the one which best fits your requirements.